to do the second part of 7-2, and it's proving circles similar. Circle A, right here, the center at the origin, 0, 0, has a radius of 1. And it's telling us it's similar to circle B, with center at 0, 6, with radius of 3. So we're going to prove that these circles are similar. All right? So the first step is to line up center to center. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take circle A and map it to circle A prime. And when I do this, I have a translation. I'm going to take this circle right here, and I'm going to move it. I'm not going to move it left or right, but I'm going to move it up to my center is on top of the center of circle B. So my translation rule is X. I didn't go left or right any, but I went up 6. Okay? So when I do this, it's not going to be a perfect circle, but it's going to be right there. And that's going to be A prime. So now I have circle A prime and circle B with center at 0, 6. Okay? When I did that, how do I get from A to B here? All right? So my radius of A is 1, and my radius of circle B, let's call that A prime, is 3. So if you notice, I go from a small circle to a large, so it's an enlargement. So I multiplied it by 3. So how do I know these circles are similar? Because it is a dilation with a scale factor. Well, I can spell scale. It's a scale factor of 3. Okay? Let's look at another one. Okay, so let's ignore this C prime here for a minute, and let's ignore this smaller circle. We start here at circle C with center at 0, negative 3. So here's the center. All right, it has a radius, 2 units here, of 2. And it's similar to circle D. Circle D has center 5, 1, which is right here, with radius of 5. So here's the radius of circle D. So circle D is this larger circle here. All right? So we need to map C to C prime so that the centers are lined up. So center to center. Okay, so we're going to, let's do a translation. Okay, so we've got to move it, the center of this circle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right, and up 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's X plus 5, Y plus 4. All right, now that's what this circle here is. We've just translated circle C, right 5, up 4, now we have C prime. So circle C prime and circle D have a center at 5, 1. So now we can compare the radiuses. All right, so circle C prime has a radius of 2, and circle D has a radius of 5. So how do we get from 2 to 5? So we just proved that these circles are similar because it has a dilation with a scale factor of 5:2. All right, next problem here. We're going to prove that circle A with center 2, 1 with radius 4 is similar to circle B with center negative 1, radius 2. Okay, so we need line centers. So we're going to take circle A and map it to circle B. And when we do that, we're going to use a translation All right, so how do I get from, let's see, 2 to -1? So that's left 3. And then how do I get from 1 to -2? That's left 2. Okay, once we've lined up their centers, we can compare the radiuses. So circle A prime has a radius of 4. Circle B has a radius of 2. So these circles are similar because it's a dilation with a scale factor of 1/2. All right, last one. How could Tia draw the flag to make it 4 times the size of the original flag? Okay, so I need to give you all the flag, and it's going to be labeled at 1-1, and then 4-1, and then let's see, we got a point at 1-3 and 4-3. Okay, so here's the original, and she wants to make it 4 times the size of that. I'm going to be quiet and let you all figure this one out. there's an example of what you could have done for number 4. And I believe that's it.
Y'all have a good one.